man, just gonna go over your content keywords really quickly. So good attempt on it, but it's definitely needs some work. So let me pull up a good example of keyword research. Or I guess I have some probably in this document here. So we have, for SEO clients, we have really extensive keyword research that I create when I do a scope of work. So for example, let's see if this is a good example. It's not a good example. Every time I do a proposal for an SEO client, I go through and I figure out exactly what they need to rank their website. And so I'll put all the things they need to do to rank their Google business listing, categories, locations, get reviews, citations. It's all based on the competition. Then I have their website layout, the words per web page on the website, because you need longer content for each page. Which pages I'll add, the orange ones I'm going to add that they don't have, edits they need to make, and then this is the most important part, the keywords. So the keywords need to be broken up by page. So I should have, if I'm doing it right, I should have a home page and put home first. And then I'll put the highest search volume keywords, ones that make the most sense, on the home page. Put 5 or 6 of those. And then roof repair page, put 6 or 7 of those keywords. Commercial roofing page, residential roofing page, metal roofing, gutters, and then locations, Noblesville, Indianapolis. He also does construction, so construction, concrete, etc. And that's what I need you to do. So I need you to break it up based on the services. So these are the 4 services they have, plus a home page. So there's going to be 5 pages total that we need to find keywords for. So you should have a home page, and then tree removal, tree trimming, stump grinding, bush removal, all here, organized kind of like this, with a bolted one, and then the keywords. And when you're looking for keywords, let me just show you different ways to do it. So usually the best way to do it is, for example, let's work on this one. Daytona treatment. Oh, that's not right. So first off, you should put the business name. So tree, do I have this one here? Tree removal, Washington, no. So you need to make up a name. For whatever it is. So remodeling. Let's see, I don't think I have a name anymore. So yeah, you'll need to make up a name for it because it's a lead generation site. So you'll go on Google first thing and look up remodeling in Wilmington. And just to look at what other names they have. Osborne Remodeling, Rebath, Wilmington. So the best name is one that's catchy, but also has the target keyword in it. Both of these don't have a good name there. So you want to have the target keyword inside the name. And the target keyword for this one, remodeling Wilmington, North Carolina, I think is the target keyword. Oh no, it's bathroom remodeling Wilmington, North Carolina. So I'm going to look on Namecheap and see if remodeling Wilmington, North Carolina.com is available. And make sure I spelled it right. Maybe I'll just copy this and get rid of the bathroom part. Yeah, it's even cheaper than normal. Solopreneur sale. Cool. So yeah, I'm gonna buy that. But then you would copy this, and you would I need you to paste it under here, and you're gonna call business name modeling Wilmington, or maybe reword it a little bit. Wilmington top remodelers. Or top remodelers Wilmington, whatever sounds best to you. And then, because I'll go through and change it if I don't like it, but I just need somebody to make up some basic names. So then you'll go here, and you need to have one that it says home. And we're going to need to have a lot more keywords. Also, these keywords aren't all applicable to the content. You only want keywords that have one, it needs buyer intent. Two, high search volume. Obviously, as much as possible. But for a lot of these keywords, any search volume is good. You know, even if just 10, you want to put it. Lower keyword difficulty. Relevant to their services. That's the one you're missing right now. So you got some with high search volume, but I don't care about ranking for some of these keywords. Bathroom remodeling Wilmington is the one I'm going for mainly because its keyword difficulty is 2, 150. Bathroom remodeling jobs bring a profit of around $10,000 per job. So if I'm able to rank number 1, I get 30% of those. I get 50 traffic per month. I'm able to land 1 to 2 deals per month and sell that lead to somebody. Contractors, Wilmington, North Carolina, that's an okay one. Construction companies, we could leave it, I guess. Architects, definitely not. Because nobody's going to hire a remodeling company as an architect. Architects are people who build and design the layouts of houses before they're built. This one actually is okay. A lot of these people are going to be DIYers, but since it's a low keyword difficulty, might as well. Remodeling, Wilmington Construction, Network Wilmington. Nope, we don't need that one. Okay, so let me show you the next step. Okay, you need to change the layout first of all. I thought I gave you what the layout would be. Yeah. So kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, basement remodeling are the main ones. Let's look just at another remodeling website and see what other services they offer, so we can get an idea of any other pages we should be also including. Okay, these guys do a bunch of random stuff. Modelers. Let's do contractors. Sees host showing up near me. Wow, these are all just random. Kitchen and bath. Well, I guess we're just going to have those 3 services. That's fine. So it'll just be a basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 page website. Super simple. So I'll need to find this, but you'll want to copy and paste it for every time. You're going to want to put here. So the home page should always be 1,000 words. So copy that. Home remodeling should always be at least 600 words. I mean, the service pages should be at least 600 words. So put that on each one of these. So the total content, you add it up. 600 times 3, 1800 plus 1000. So you got 2800 words. That'll be the smallest website I've ever built. That's okay. URL. So you're going to copy this one, remember? Oh, I already copied it here. So that is the stuff I need you to do every time. And then I'll go through, you'll tell me which ones I need to buy, and I'll buy them. Modeling. So when I do keyword research, let me just show you my worksheet. So I have a scrap piece of scrap Google Sheets, and on each one I just build a new tab for each one of my clients. I just list out their pages that I need to find keywords for, and then I find keywords and I organize them according to the pages and according to the locations that they're targeting. So tree service, you know, like this is my newest client. He just finished his website. Just check it out actually. Garden State Home Remodeling. So you can see kind of what we're going for. So this is our website we just built. We're going to use these exact keywords inside of the content. Home remodeling contractor. That gets searched 200 times a month, you know, but it's area specific. Remodeling Sussex County. I use that exact content inside the website. Usually I try to use each keyword 2 to 3 times in the content and in the H1 tag in order to rank well. And so each one of these pages needs, you know, anywhere from 3 to 7 keywords depending on the content length. Most of these, this is a pretty competitive niche, and so I'm having a lot of content on most of these pages. This is also a remodeling website actually. They're roofing, siding, home remodeling, basements, bathrooms, kitchen. So, anyways, just so you know the purpose of it. But for the client sites, it's really important. Like people who are actually paying me to do SEO, I need to find tons of good keywords. For these lead generation sites, it's not as important. I just need to have, you know, keywords for these 3 pages and the home page. Because what these sites are is we build them. I pay to have them built by my employees when we have free time, and then after it's built, I'll go and I'll rent it out to other contractors. So like, for example, this website, Economy Tree Service. We built this website and then we ranked it on Google #1, and every time it gets a call from a different contractor, from somebody asking for tree service. What's up with my website? Oh, this is not even my website. Oh, clicked on the wrong one. Well, whenever it gets a call, if this was my website, typed in the wrong thing, I send it to a different contractor and they pay me $25 per call, or $50 per call, depending on the different thing. Roofing is worth more. Trees is worth less, but they get more calls for trees than they do for roofing, so it just depends. And remodeling I've never done before, but it's something I want to try. So keyword research. You can either do it through the Keyword Explorer. So for example, you'll take your top keyword, and you'll put it here. And then you're going to go to View All. Yeah, so these are all good. These doesn't matter. Average bathroom remodeling, because they're looking for price. We could do a blog post about that, but this is a good one too, maybe. Exterior remodeling, you know, that would be good for most of them. But right now, we're focusing only on interior remodeling for this lead generation site in particular. I don't know why it always does that. You paste it. So these are just a useless one. So that's some good ones. Even these small ones, we want to keep every single keyword relevant to the search, so we can make sure we put it in the content. Master bathroom. Okay, and then I'm going to look up one for specifically, let's include basement. See if there's any basement. Nope. Okay, not much for that one, unfortunately. Let's look. What was the other ones? Kitchen. So I'll use the keyword explorer this time. Let's see, I think we already got 21. We already got those ones. Nope, we're missing one of them. Oh, so this is North Carolina. That keyword is Delaware. Oh, I must have spelled it wrong there. Wilmington. 50, you don't have that one. Although it doesn't specify if it's Wilmington or North Carolina, but it's still good to put. Alright. The other thing we can do, I can look up just on Google, modeler, see who's ranking number 1. Home Advisor, of course, is. And hopefully, if they have decent SEO, we can find some good keywords on their site as well. So you put it in Site Explorer. Prefix will be that one individual page. But if there's not enough keywords, which we can see for that one. Alright, so it's interesting. Fayetteville. Something else we want to look into. How far away is Fayetteville from Wilmington? If it's really close, then we'll want to make a Fayetteville page. So I need you to do critical thinking and figure stuff out. Oh, it's too far away. If it's within like 20 to 30 minutes, then let's totally do it. But it's pretty far. So it's not worth finding keywords for Fayetteville since we're targeting the Wilmington website. What about Greenville? Jacksonville. Let's try that one out. Still an hour. Southport. Yeah, so if we see keywords for Southport, then we could do those. So that's not a very good example. Wilmington modeling contractor. So let's look at who's ranking number 1 for that keyword. Still the same guy. Okay, well, let's give his website another chance. So instead of doing prefix, we'll do domain with all its subdomains. And so we'll see every keyword that he's ranking for on his whole website. Ooh. So it looks like he doesn't have bad SEO. It's good. So let's include, because this guy does a lot of different locations. See, I don't know what this means. You crack repair. So I Google it and see if it's something that a remodeling contractor would do. I don't think it is. I mean, it probably is, but I want to sell a specific type of jobs to the contractors. Whoa, that's a great keyword. If you find really great keywords like this, concrete, Wilmington, North Carolina, it's got less than 5 on the keyword difficulty, more than 100 on the search volume, then let's put it in a specific spot. So we can put here lead gen ideas. Oops. I have a bunch of different places where I put it, but that's what I would do, what I'd like you to do. If you come across really great ones with high search volume, low keyword difficulty, and a high expensive niche, that would be great. Also, foundation repair is also pretty expensive too. Do you already have home repair? Let's check. Oops, I didn't put the... Notice though, when you use the Keyword Explorer, it does volume first, and then keyword difficulty. But when you use the website, it reverses it. Oops. See, it doesn't even show me the keyword difficulty on these. Crap, I must have deleted it. Because this is the volume. This should be the keyword difficulty. Anyways, everyone makes mistakes. I made a mistake on that, but I'll clean it up a little bit later. So anyways, after you have a decent amount of keywords, you're going to organize it into pages. So I'll take this, paste it here. I'm like 99% sure all of these were 1s and 2s. This is like a 1, this is like a 0. I'll double check everything later, but they're super low. Oops. These are all 0. So, homepage. Let's do that one first. You want your strongest keywords on the homepage because you're going to be pushing the most power to it with the backlinks. So that one, kitchen remodeling. And you can use one of each service thing in the homepage as well, because you can, on the homepage, you kind of describe all of your services. And then the second one, Okay, so now use that one and that one. This is a pretty general keyword, so it's good to go on the home page or the about page. Same with this one. I guess we should add an about page, huh? We don't need a ton of content for about page though. Okay, this isn't a good keyword. I missed that one. These are competitors. If there's absolutely no other keywords, then sometimes I'll put competitors on there, and we can just like hide their name in photos and stuff and rank for it. I'll use that in the about page. The kitchen and bathroom modeling. Okay. Put at least one or two of those. Right, can't use that one. Oh no. Master bathroom. That's fine. Kitchen and bathroom modeling. I guess we don't really need home repair. It's like handyman. And we're just going to fill the rest. So there's not many keywords for this, but this is a good one. High search volume, so we'll put that on the home page. And then general contractor Wilmington. Use that. Oh, I need to switch these. So it's uniform. I'm sure there's some code to do this, but just doing it the hard way right now. Contractors. That's weird. That one would also probably be one you'd put on the home page or on the about page, but we already have a lot of keywords on the about page and home page. Bathroom remodeling. Great. Oh no, we already have that one. Okay. Construction companies. It's general, so we could probably put it on the about page. This is the same keyword. We have it twice. That's not good. It's something you could hear going on a home page. Okay, which one has the least amount of keywords? Basement. Let's put on basement. Oops. we have, so I usually like to keep about on the bottom, keep all the service pages together. So now we have a full list of keywords that we're going to be targeting with our SEO. So this is really important because when I give this document to my content writer, who then writes the content with those specific keywords inside of the content. And then we also, when we're doing backlink building, we include, let me show you, oh, somebody else is looking at this. Let me show you, because you want to learn SEO anyway, so just showing you lots of stuff. For example, these are some of our client sites. This is the location, their website. This is alt text, the specific keyword you're trying to rank, and the link that we're going to link to. So when I go have my website builders build backlinks, they use this in the sentence that they link to the site. It's called alt text. And so we really need to have those specific keywords. These are the highest search volume keywords for each one of the locations. So yeah, that's why we need these keywords to be really good. Anyways, I just did that one for you. Can you fix this one? And then I'll need you to do, see, you did those two? Roofing Fort Wayne. Is someone doing roofing Fort Wayne? I don't know if you're doing it or if the other VA is doing it, but I'll have to check. Pretty much we need 10 of these done every month. They don't take very long. And ideally, I'd like you to fill out everything here. You know, copy and paste the document here. You won't fill out this. Put the main keyword here. Make up a business name. Put the location. Find a URL and put it there, etc. Yep. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.